going to learn today. Oh, wow! Art! I just love art. Wow, Ruben, what do you think we'll make today? Do you think we'll paint a picture or sculpt a model? Paint a rainbow? Well, that seems simple enough, Ruben. I love rainbows. All right, let's start painting a rainbow, and we'll start with the color red. Then the yellow goes here. And then the blue goes down here. We're missing colors though. Orange, green, purple, and indigo. Would you look at that, Ruben? There are the other colors. There's green, purple, and orange. You're right, Ruben. They're in between the other colors. I wonder if I mix red and yellow together. Look, it makes orange. I can add orange to my rainbow here. Okay, moving on to the next color, green. I bet if we mix blue and yellow together, we'll get green. And we made green. So then when we add it to our rainbow here, it's in between yellow and blue. We did it, we made green. Yay. And to make purple, we have to mix red with blue. Okay, so we made our purple. It's also called violet sometimes, and it kind of goes below the blue here on our rainbow. Okay, our rainbow's almost done. We just have indigo left, so I wonder, that's it. I can just add a little bit more blue to our purple or violet. We can create indigo or dark blue. I put that right here on my rainbow in between the blue and the violet. Yay! We did it! We made our rainbow complete! Look at all the colors! Who knew that you can make so many colors by just mixing the original 3 colors? We did it, Ruben! Mission complete! Hey friends! I'm back with my trusty pal, Ruben, and we're here and ready to learn some things. So, Ruben, what are we going to learn today? The magic wheel! I wonder what we'll learn about today. Music! I love music! I wonder what we're going to learn to play. Drums, guitar, trumpet. Whoa! This doesn't look like a musical instrument, does it, Ruben? New mission. Make a rain stick for 20 root points. Well, I guess we're making our own instrument. Ready? Okay, let's see. We have rice, tinfoil, a water bottle. Step 1. Roll 2 individual pieces of tinfoil into long snake-like strips. Look, it's like a little snake. And then let's do another one. Let's see if we can connect it to this one. We can. Wow, it looks like kind of like a worm. Step 2. Fill the water bottle with coiled tinfoil. And put it inside. And now we get to add the rice. But how am I going to add the rice into this? It's not going to pour very well. If only I had a piece of paper. Woo, that'll come in handy. Step 3. Roll a piece of paper up into a funnel and pour the rice inside. And I'll put this on the edge of my bottle and pour the rice in like a little funnel. Perfect! Okay, and then we put the lid on. Yay! Reuben, we made a rain stick. Now that is one really cool way to recycle. What was that? There it was again. Reuben, is that a rhythm? Do you think I should try and copy it? Okay. Wow, a magic wheel. Let's see what we're gonna learn today, Reuben. Math? Great. What's a math, Reuben? Oh, right, numbers, like adding some up and taking some numbers away. I could totally do that. So, Reuben, what do we have to do today? Wait, where'd the magic wheel go? Do you see that? And now blocks, and scales. New mission, balance the scale for 20 root points. How hard could that be, right? We have these blocks here, and one of them here, and then here. Oh man, I don't get it, Reuben. I mean, there's one block there and one block there, but it's not balancing. Maybe if I try this. Put this one here, and now it's unbalanced the other way. Reuben, what do I do? Let's try another one here. This is harder than I thought. I must be missing something. Okay, let me try this again. What? Did you notice this before, Reuben? This block has a number on it. I think the bigger numbers have bigger weights. So the bigger numbers weigh more than the little ones. So all we have to do is make the numbers add up so that way the scale will balance. I got this, Reuben. Okay, let's make this 4, 2. Now we need to balance the scale. So I have a 1. Okay, put that there. And what's this? A 5. Perfect. That also adds up to 6. It should. Yay! We did it! That's 2 plus 4 on this side, and that equals 6. And it balances to the other side. 1 plus 5 also equals 6. We did it! Yay! We did it, Reuben! There it is! No point in wasting time. Let's figure out what we're learning today. Wild card? What does that mean? It could mean anything. I wonder. Whoa! A timer? I guess we're racing against the clock, huh, little buddy? New mission. Name as many animals as you can by the sounds they make. You have 1 minute. That doesn't sound so hard, does it? Oh no! Okay, it's starting. Calm down, Ruby. You can do this. Oink! Of course! It's a pig! Oh, a cow! Yeah, a cow. A horse! Is that a chicken? It's gotta be a chicken. Quack, quack, that's a duck. Definitely a duck. A puppy dog? Aw, cute little kitten. picture. A lion? An elephant. I love those. Bee? A rooster? Ruby, I don't know that one. And the timer's running out. Think, Ruby, think. Okay. I know. It's a donkey. Yoo-hoo! We did it, Ruben. Just look at all those animals we named. Should we look at them again? Pig. Cow. Horse. Chicken. Duck. Dog. Cat. Snake. Lion. Elephant. Bee. Rooster. And donkey. Woohoo! We did it, Ruben! Nice work! We named so many animals. Take it away, Magic Wheel. Let's see what we're learning today. Words and letters? Wait, I know this, Ruben. Words are letters. That's it. New mission. Find 5 words that sound the same but are spelled different. What does that mean? Oh, okay. Here are 2 words that sound the same but rabbit and big. Oh, right. It's not a rabbit. It's a hare. A hare and pear. 2 words that sound the same but are spelled different. Yay, Ruben! We did it! We did it! We did it! All right, next set of words. We have, okay, that looks pretty dark. That looks like night, right? So a night and this shiny person. Oh, it's a night! A night and a night! Yay! Okay, next one. I got this. All right. It's the letter B and a cute little fuzzy thing. Also a bee. Okay, a B and a B. Both sound the same but are spelled differently. And the next one. Okay, we have a pretty little flower. And I've seen that before in the kitchen. It's flower! A flower and a flower. 2 words sound the same, spelled differently. We did it, Ruben. One more. Okay. Last one is a pear and a pear. There's 2 of them, so it's a pair of them. And pear like the fruit. Okay, we did it, Ruben. Mission accomplished. There it is. Let's spin it and find out what we're doing today. Math? Of course! Numbers are so cool. I'm ready. Follow the recipe to make the cake? What cake? What am I supposed to do with all of this? Oh, I've got it. Okay, thanks, Rubit. I have to put these blocks into this pot to make the cake. All I have to do is follow the recipe. Okay, I get it. 5. I've got to put 5 blocks into the pot here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look, the number changed. Now it says 8. Okay, let's think. To get to 8, we were on 5, so we have to add 3 blocks. Here it goes. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. 8! We did it! It changed again. Now we have to reach 10. from 8, we have to add 2 blocks. 1, 2. We got 10. Oh no! Rubik, what's happened? The number changed again. It went from 10 back down to 5. We have to go from 10 down to 5. That means we have to take 5 blocks out of the pot. I know. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa, Rubik! The number changed again. It was a 5, but now it says 15. How do we get from 5 to 15? Think, Ruby, think. Okay, to go from 5 to 15, we have to add 10 blocks. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yay, we did it! What do you think that means? Put the lid on the pot. Okay. Rubik, we did it. We took away and added all the right numbers and followed the math recipe. And look what happened! We made the cake! Mission accomplished. There it is. Okay. Words and letters I can read and write, so this should be really easy, right, Rubik? Find as many words as you can that end with the letters AT or ACT before the timer runs out. That doesn't sound so hard. That doesn't sound so hard. Get it? Oh, gosh. Okay, it started already. Let's see. Words that end in AT or ACT. Bat. That's one. And then, S. Sat. That's one too, right? All right, next we have, rat. Like the little cute mousy guy. Yep, rat. And then, woo, mat. I'm getting good at this, Rubik. And then, cat. Meow. Hat, like the thing that goes on your head. So many words that